welcome to another episode of Fixit Fingers Fivers. This week, accessories. All of the random bits and pieces that you never knew you needed in your workshop. Right? Let's get started.
Blah, 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 blah.
What are you doing here?
I don't know about the rest of you, but if you're sick of listening to Mr. Follically Inferior Fixit Fingers talk about top fives, figured we'd take over and show him what it's really about. So I've teamed up with old mate over there, super handsome bugger. We're going to give you a proper top five. Isn't that right, mate? I said, isn't that right, mate? Wait, isn't that right? Right? Huh? Yeah. What he said. Top five. Beard tips.
Okay, Captain Face Fungus and Deputy Dirtbeard, you want to play with the YouTube boys? Show us what you got.
Tip number one. Very simple. Have a beard. If you don't have a beard, I really can't do much for you. There are two types of men in this world. Men who have beards, and that. No beard, no time.
Well, I did, but ranger.
Number two, treat it like a tool belt. Why waste your time putting it behind your ear, figuring out where you're carrying stuff? Problem solved.
Yeah, I think mine holds more. What else you got there, Beady?
Number three, it's not so much a tip as it is we're going to talk about what it is that makes the beard so wonderful and magical. The abilities that it gives you as a real man. When you're stuck thinking of an idea, the ability to be able to do this really gives you more cognitive ability. It's fantastic. Now if we have a look at, say for instance, Vikings, who are the epitome of men everywhere. Vikings have beards, yes? Vikings also have mystical powers. Example. Piece of timber, yeah? Okay. That's the exact same piece of timber. Magic.
Got that covered.
Number four, safety. Be smart about everything you do. Beard safety is number one on that list of safety things to do. A lot of guys will use beard nets. They'll use all these different types of things, maybe wear a bandana or something like that to sort of keep it away. That's all malarkey. Best way to do it, grab your luscious man mane. You want to split it down the center and give it a nice twist. Right in here. Get one of the many clamps that you don't have enough of on this side. Repeat the process. Again, mini clamp. You can never have too many clamps, remember that. Boom. Now, I'm separated here either side, so when I lean in to do whatever I gotta do, I don't have to worry about my beard touching the saw blade or the sander or whatever tool I'm using. This, it gives me a clean line of sight. I don't have to worry about getting too close and hurting the beautiful man beard.
Honestly, I don't think this is how they're meant to be used.
Number five, respirators. Now I know a lot of people go on and on about having a beard and how it can affect the way you wear a respirator. Very simple solution for all of that. No. 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 over to you, buddy. Thank you, handsome. Problem solved.
Yeah, mate, that's definitely solving more than one problem, particularly from my perspective. Looks much better. That's your argument, mate.
Basically, this here, the best type 5 you're going to see on this channel for a while. Mr. Blah Blah Blah. Grow a beard.
Okay. The beard is pretty cool there, big fella, but being clean shaven does have certain advantages. Hey, what are you doing here again?
So smooth.
Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. The 5 top tips for why you should have a manly beard. Or not. Huge thanks to Darren from Wood's the Worst That Can Happen and Dazza from 2x4, and a very, very special thanks to Mrs. 2x4 for their input and assistance on this debate, and I hope you enjoyed it and learnt something today. We'll catch you next time. Take care of yourselves.